Hello, YouTubers. Well, Summerville, South Carolina is still kind of cloudy and nasty. Had a little bit of sunshine today, so I took that opportunity and I decided I would do some correction painting, and got the heat on in the garage, and I was able to sand these down and get them painted right, the right color. Seemed like they turned out awful nice. So my next step will be taking the door panels apart and installing these babies. Ain't nothing like a good paint job, a nice shine. Oh yeah. So I also started working on my other little boo-boo with this Roush. And as you all know, it was a stripe thing. Did some research, found out a little more information that the stripes that come on the Roush were 7-inch stripes. And so I took the 8-inch stripes that I got from American Muscle, and I'm trimming them down. This is just some of them, just extras. I'm making sure of the fit. And it looks like they're supposed to go, from what I could find out from some other Roush vehicles, just like that. And of course, the stripes were wrong for it, and I had this boo-boo that peeled the clear off. So I've been sitting here today and slowly hand sanding and smoothing and doing what I can. I think I'm going to try just to spot the clear back in and see how it does instead of doing the whole hood, being the car is really in such good shape. Well, like I told you, I'll keep you posted up. Subscribe to my channel. I got some more things I'm doing. Got a few fishing trips lined up. I'll be putting those on YouTube for you. As you know, I like my Mustangs and always have. When I'm finished with this car, I'll sell it. If somebody really wants it bad enough right now, they could get it. I only keep these things for just fun, play with, something to do. This car only has 40,000 miles. I think 40,812 to be exact. All right, until later, don't forget, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.